You might have seen my previous lesson on how to use an IRA to grow wealth. And I mentioned that you cannot do a deal with debt or take over debt or create debt in your IRA, or that property will have to pay taxes when it sells at the trust rate, which is probably much higher than your individual rate. So I want you to do all the deals in your IRA that you can, but only the short-term deals that don't come with debt. There's a plan too. If you want to buy houses subject to, or if you want to rehab them inside your IRA and you just want to wholesale them or flip them, which are the two best things to do with your IRA, then think about using a solo 401k, which is a simplified pension plan for your LLC. The requirements to have a 401k, a solo 401k, is that it has to be for your LLC, and there cannot be more employees than you and your spouse. So if you have employees in other businesses like I do, you can't have a 401k because the government's going to put them all in one pile, as long as you're controlling interest in those businesses. Now the cool thing about a solo 401k is that they're very inexpensive. There's a company in Orlando called NuView, N-U-V-I-E-W, I believe, and they can set you up a solo 401k for about $500 last time I talked to them. Very easy reporting at the end of the year. You hold the checkbook and you write the checks with the IRS's permission, unlike your IRA. And here's the big one. A solo 401k does not trigger UBIT, unrelated business income tax. So you can buy all of the houses that come with financing in your solo 401k, and you still don't have to pay taxes on them when you sell them. You can even contribute up to $50,000 a year to your solo, which is not where the money is. The money is in taking your plan and using it to buy houses. Now that does not mean there has to be a bunch of money in your plan. For example, you take a $100 deposit out and you get a contract on a junker, and your contract says that it's going into your solo 401k, and then you flip that contract for $20,000 or so. Okay, so you put $100 up and you get $20,000 back in a few days, because right now flipping junkers does not take more than a few days. Think about that. Put up 100, get back $20,000. Try to explain that to your CPA. He'll surely think something is funny about that. It's perfectly legal. And also, you can, I don't know, you want to rehab a house? Well, you can't rehab the house in your solo 401k unless the money is in there to do it, because it cannot borrow money, and you cannot lend it money, and it cannot lend you money, or anybody in your protected group, which means family up and down, and your spouse's family up and down. They're easy to set up, and you can actually contribute up to $61,000 a year. You can actually borrow from it $50,000, but I got to tell you, that's the worst place on earth to borrow money from, because every time you take out a dollar, it's a dollar that's not growing tax-free for the rest of your life. If you do a little math or have somebody do it for you, you'll find your money will grow 10 times faster tax-free than it will paying tax every time you make some money.